Thanks. So look, let me show you. Oh, if I can get up. I bought 6 bags from Amazon. And it came with some of the hair beads. You can't see it because this bag look like a drug bag. Anyway, it came with hair beads. And it came with this too. This little crochet needle. But I bought an extra crochet needle because I wasn't sure. You know how sometimes be like, yeah, free gift, and then you don't get no free gift, and then I be looking like I'm looking because I don't have nothing to install them with. So, color 27, y'all know how I do. Color 27. And it's the wavy. It's the, they're wavy. And then they have the curly ends, so it's like the, what you call it, goddess locks. Yeah. Ew. Okay, girl, try. I'm trying. I'm loving them. And they super light. Like, for real light. They all the way down to, like, my mid-back. No. My butt. Yeah, the lower back. But, yeah, see, they're wavy. And then they have, of course, the little loop. So you can, attach them. And I just stretch it out. And I did them. So, yeah. But I bought 6 bags, that's what I was saying. And I got 2 left. And some from the other bag. So I used 3.5. Yeah. Not even that. Yeah, like 3.5. Oh, no. Like 4. Because I only have a couple of strands left. That's what's left out of the 4th bag. Yeah, super excited. Okay, I'll send you the link. I bought, and it was like, it was $46. I'm a Prime member, and it was $46 for everything. I think it was $39.99 for the hair, and then of course I bought the extra crochet needle. But Amazon, it came in a super small box too. Like, I was like, is that my hair? But it is. It was. Good to go.